Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have the headless and KorBloX body on Dress to Impress. It only works in free play, by the way, but you can, I think, see it in the runway if you click on it instantly. But you will need VIP for this, so head on to VIP and select this leg. Select right only, and then select your skin color and toggle it to matte for all of that. Then you are going to save your outfit. I just saved mine as headless here. Then you're going to go to the corner of this room, and then you're going to spin your camera here. Select the camera, press close, and then press E. And then you're going to select the headless outfit again. Then you're just going to walk the runway immediately, and hopefully this shows up. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.